NFPA 72, the National Fire Alarm and Signaling Code, does not explicitly prohibit the use of Romex for fire alarm systems. However, it does have specific requirements for the installation of fire alarm wiring. Fire alarm wiring must be installed in a raceway, for example, conduit, or a cable, for example, MC cable. Romex is not considered a raceway or cable. Fire alarm wiring must have a fire resistance rating of at least 60 minutes. Romex typically does not meet this rating. NFPA 72 requires fire alarm wiring to be firstly installed in a raceway or cable, secondly, fire resistant, thirdly, protected from physical damage, fourthly, labeled for fire alarm use, and fifthly, terminated with the proper fittings. PLFA is a type of cable that is designed to withstand high temperatures in a fire. It is typically used for fire alarm systems and is available in different types, including MC cable and BX cable. NFPA 72 does not specify the color of low voltage wire for fire alarm systems. However, red wire is commonly used for this purpose because it is easily identifiable and can help prevent accidental disconnections. Based on the information provided, it appears that the requirement to use MC, BX, or EMT for your fire alarm system may be a local or state code requirement. You should consult with the local authority having jurisdiction to confirm the specific requirements for your area.